So let me first wish all of you a very happy 2022 and prosperous years and healthy years ahead. 2021 was a very healthy year for all asset markets, whether it was on the equity side, debt, and even real estate, which became a much more liquid asset class in 2021. So, given that asset prices are no longer cheap, this is a time where one has to be much more careful. So, we believe that I have a buzzword called ABCDEF, where A stands for asset allocation. It is important to practice asset allocation when asset prices are high. A also stands for active management. It makes sense to look at active strategies like long short, credit AIFs, focus strategies, business cycle oriented strategies, etc. at this point of time, given that market valuations are high. B stands for a balanced approach to all asset classes and not looking at only one asset class like equity alone at this point of time. C stands for conservative behavior at this point of time by avoiding taking excessive leverage at this point of time, being careful in investing in pre-IPO investments, being careful in cryptocurrency kind of investments, and thinking of risk while evaluating any investment. D stands for investing in debt as a capital protection tool, even though debt may not be giving high returns. E is the looking at categories like equity savings and equity arbitrage, which are lower riskometer categories in hybrid, but make sense in this manner at this point of time, given that equity valuations are elevated. We like fund of fund strategies at this point of time, given that at this point of time, multi-asset class kind of approach makes much more interesting way of looking at it, given that most of the asset classes are at elevated valuations. One of the learnings that we have at ICICI Prudential has been that the biggest mistakes in investing have happened when market valuations have been elevated rather than when market valuations are low. Given that market valuations are elevated now, it is important to avoid mistakes, and the best way of avoiding mistakes is by focusing on asset allocation and investing in active strategies. Of course, active strategies have their own risks of fund managers making mistakes, but we believe that when markets are elevated, there is no choice but to give that opportunity for fund managers to take those active decisions and hope that the fund managers don't make those mistakes. Wish you all a very good investing period ahead, because we think that if investors make lesser mistakes when markets are high, they actually end up making a lot of money, and that is our hope for all the readers at this point of time. Thank you.